Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am participating in the ultimate fall, I was gonna say the ultimate fall wreath playlist, the ultimate Christmas wreath playlist. It's hosted by Natalie from Designs the Nines, and it's co-hosted by Jennifer from Little Bit of Calm and Crazy. And it is a fun playlist where tons of people just make wreaths and then they stick them in a playlist and they're all together and you can watch from one all the way down. It's awesome. So make sure you check out Natalie, Jennifer's channels. I'm leaving those in the description box below along with the playlist. So it's awesome. Like Christmas wreath galore video. So I hope you guys like my video. If you are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. Okay, but anyways, I'm gonna be doing one wreath for sure, trying to get a second one done. I don't know, this weather is terrible. We only have what, 8-10 hours of daylight and it's cloudy, so we don't really even get sunshine, so it's making me a little sad. But anyways, one wreath done. I don't know about the second one, but anyways, all right, so these have to be the easiest wreaths to make. You'll need a wreath form for this, a few things of this nautical rope in this truck, along with some of these berries from Dollar Tree. I did get the truck from Walmart. They are $4.88. You can also grab one from Dollar Tree. I haven't seen a whole lot in my Dollar Tree because I know they're always sold out. But like I said, these are going to be the easiest wreaths. Anybody can make them. That's just amazing, you guys. So I'm just going to hot glue some of this nautical rope and just wrap it around. And that is honestly all I'm going to do. I almost like lost my breath right there because I talk so fast. But yeah, so you're just going to be wrapping it around. I want to say I lost count of how many of these I used. I would grab about 5 bundles of this nautical rope. I had some left over from other projects, so I was just using up what I had instead of open new ones. But yeah, I would grab about 5 and maybe just 6 to be on the safe side. And if you have extra, there's so many other options and so many other DIYs you can do with this. And this is a little, you can see like cracks and stuff. And then you can end up bunching it up and like moving it all around in the end. And you can fill in all those little gaps. So no worries if there's gaps.
And the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
And then this is what it looks like when it's done. I just hot glued the end piece and then flipped it over. You can kind of tell where I ended it because I had to wrap it a couple times, but you can always just cover the ugly parts with a bow. I got these from the Dollar Tree and just added some hot glue right to the top of this. And then once that was done, I ripped the twine pieces that hang this truck and I just kind of measured out where the hot glue is going to go and just did a ton of hot glue on each side. And this has just worked out perfect. So that is it, you guys. The majority of it is completely done. And that's all it took, is just throwing some rope around a wreath, doing some hot glue, adding a bow. And then I thought this was just a tiny bit plain. So like I said, I had the berries from the beginning and I just grabbed those and cut some and just hot glued and tucked them underneath the bow just for a little bit of something extra.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you
This next wreath, you're going to need a wreath form, same one, and this pack of garland. It is 15 feet. You're also going to need this deer. These are all purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I am just wrapping this wreath. I think I called it a wreath. I don't know, but you're going to be wrapping the garland all the way around. I did end up having some gaps. I kind of started spreading this out a little bit. I ended up with a gap, and I thought my wonderful little bow would just cover it. So you're going to see that I had a bow and hot glued it to the form. I did end up finding some crafts I made last year that I am not going to put out. And I used this garland, so I just ripped that one apart and just used a tiny bit of extra garland. I have seen people use this whole thing on one wreath and it fits. Tell me your secrets, because I don't know. So you see this little gap. I do end up covering it after this. The bow came from Walmart. I think it was $1.88.
To come back home to me, and when we wake up in the morning.
The next thing I did with this reindeer, I just took it outside and just sanded it down with a hand sander. Yeah, you could probably do this in many different ways, but this was the easiest. And Presley was way over there rolling his spray paint at me, but that's why that kind of rolled out there. But I thought this was the easiest way. It only took about 2 minutes, and then I just took some black spray paint. This is from our local hardware. Normally, I just have some cheap 97-cent Walmart spray paint, and that works just as good. And I did end up doing 2 coats of black spray paint. And then once that was done, I just took some hot glue and I glued this down. You can tell, or you can see, that I did take the bow off the top, and I did fill the wreath in a little bit more just so it was more full and there wasn't gaps sticking out. And then I had these bows from Walmart, and I just took one and hot glued it right to his neck. And then I did add the bow to the side because I just love this bow, and this is the whole theme of this wreath I was going for, was this like buffalo check black and white. That's why the reindeer is black. You could probably do them white, but I don't know. This was the feel of my soul that day. But anyways, I just grabbed these little ornaments from Dollar Tree. I actually had these from last year, and I just thought I would add a little bit of color because it is supposed to be a Christmas wreath. So voila, there we have it. Beautiful reindeer Christmas wreath. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. And I hope you enjoyed these 2 super, super easy wreaths to make. You all can make them. Trust me, you can do it. But till then, I'll see you guys next video. Bye!
I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes